For those of us who call San Diego home, we know it's one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Sometimes, though, there are little things that need to get fixed here and there, and I thought, why not allow citizens to take out their phones, take a photo of any issues they see, submit their location, and send it directly to the city. That way, we all can take our part in helping keep the city just as beautiful as it always has been. Street Report is a multi-screen app that allows people to first take a photo, which I'm going to skip since we're in the simulator, either use their current location or move it around. Over here, I'm just going to move it over here because this is actually where I saw that problem. Next, select from a lot of different categories that the city knows about and can repair. Graffiti, painted curbs, potholes, street flooding, all these different things. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is an issue with a cracked or broken sidewalk. This just happened. A large truck dropped their tools here. So the city has a little bit of contextual information. Go next, and as you can see, my information has already been saved previously. All I have to do is hit submit, and a photo will be attached as well as the location of the problem. We can also go back and see any previous submissions we've seen, just so we have a record of it. That's it. That's all people have to do, and the city now has this, and will be getting back to me shortly. A couple quick things about the app is that there were a couple challenges along the way. There was no obvious way to submit this unless you wanted to do email. The goal was to create less work for the city, not adding extra emails they had to open and input into their systems. Their goal of mine was to give a photo because a photo would give a lot better information about what's a priority and what's not a priority for the city. The city didn't currently have a way of doing that. And it was really important to me that this be something you can take out of your pocket and in 10 seconds or less submit information to the city. If you have your information already saved from your previous version, sometimes you can do it in even less than that. There were many ways to do this, but the best way was to use this existing city street web form. And to do that, there was some clever programming involved to autofill this on the user's behalf through the app. A few things get submitted directly to the city through their web form. A companion photo is uploaded to a web server, part of this app. A short link with a GPS map location is also given to the city, and a short link for the photo image, as well as the category and the description that the user provided. I want to say a quick thank you to Alex at the Street Division for working with me over the last several months for this contest to verify this data is in the form that's useful for them and it has entered their systems correctly. Much appreciated. Last thing I want to say about this app is that it was built using the Mono framework. Mono can cross-platform target iOS, Android, and since most of this code is reusable in C#, it can also be reused for Windows Phone 7. About 2/3 of the code can be reused for an Android and Windows Phone versions, although they are not being submitted as part of this contest entry. And this app will be available shortly on the App Store. Thank you for your consideration.